Just as important as knowing what to do about unclogging a drain, is knowing what not to do. Many people immediately go to the store to buy the most powerful chemical drain cleaner they can find. They figure, I will just pour this gunk down my drain and, just like they say on TV, the clog will be gone. What could be easier? But chemical drain cleaners are quite expensive in the long run. They are dangerous both to your pipes and, more importantly, to you, your family and your pets. And they are certainly no friend to the environment. These chemicals give off fumes that may irritate those who are sensitive to allergies. Small children, dogs and cats are especially at risk because, if ingested, liquid drain cleaner can be fatal. Old metal pipes can be compromised by liquid drain cleaners, resulting in a leak, causing water damage and creating a breeding ground for bacteria. The worst part is, chemical drain cleaners are not always effective. You are better off calling your local licensed plumber.